In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Microsoft Store if it's not loading apps. If you've ever faced this frustrating issue, rest assured, we're here to help solve it in just a few minutes. We'll walk through the steps you need to take for troubleshooting this pesky problem, ensuring you can access and enjoy apps seamlessly. First, navigate to the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the Microsoft Store icon either from your taskbar or start menu. Once there, you'll find an array of apps, games, and more for your Windows environment. Browsing the store gives you access to a world of digital content tailored for your needs. However, when things don't go smoothly, our next steps will help get the store back on track. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Microsoft Store page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This icon leads to your account details within the Microsoft ecosystem, providing you with options relevant to your account settings and preferences. It's important to ensure you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account associated with your purchases and subscriptions to avoid any access issues. Once you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. The Settings option is integral to diagnosing and rectifying any potential issues within the store itself. Here, you might find solutions to commonly faced problems, and adjusting some settings can often resolve the situation without much hassle. In the Settings menu, look for an option labelled App Updates. Click on this to proceed. App updates are critical for the smooth operation of the Microsoft Store, as updates often include essential fixes, performance enhancements, and new features. Keeping your store and the apps within it up to date is a surefire way to avoid future hurdles and ensure everything runs without a hitch. By following these steps, you can ensure your Microsoft Store is optimized and back to functioning properly. If, after completing these steps, you continue to encounter issues, it might be worth exploring additional troubleshooting avenues or reaching out to Microsoft support for more personalized assistance. Hopefully, this guide has bolstered your confidence in handling such matters and highlighted the importance of routine updates. Your feedback or comments are always welcome, as we aim to provide content that not only informs but truly supports your digital journey. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech solutions and tips to keep your devices running smoothly.